In this video, we will see how we can load SRTM DEM in Google Earth Engine, and after that we will make it colorful. So let's get started. Open the Google Earth Engine code editor. Now let's make a variable named image where we will load our SRTM DEM, and then go to search, write SRTM, click on the SRTM Digital Elevation Data version 4, copy the collection snippet and paste it. Now let's set a center for the map. -10, 27, and the zoom level, let's make it 3. Now let's add the layer to our map. Minimum value should be 0 and maximum should be 3000 for SRTM DEM. And let's name it SRTM DEM. Now let's run the code and see how it looks. The DEM is loaded successfully, but it's black and white. It doesn't look that good. Let's make it colorful. To make the SRTM DEM colorful, we will need a palette. So let's make a variable named palette. We will use 6 colors here, from low elevation to high elevation. Blue for low elevation, and then cyan, green, yellow, orange, and finally red for high elevation. Let's write the color names in the comments. We can find the color names from HTML color names of w3schools.com, and you can go to color names. Here we can copy the code from the color name and also search for the color. Let's first search for blue. And paste here, and next cyan. Next, green. Next, yellow. Orange. And finally red. We need to write the color codes within quotation. Now let's add this palette to our visualization parameters. We can add this palette here, like palette. Also, if we want, we can make it a variable so that the code looks clean. Let's add these balance here. Now let's run the code and check how it looks. Now the DEM is shown as a colorful, which looks nice compared to previous one. The code will be shared at the end of the description. You can copy and use this code. Thanks for watching.